Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind Tech. So when you are using your mobile in a public place like mall, airport or railway station, so suddenly your mobile notify you that you are running out of battery. So in that situation, what you can do? So you just go to a public charging station to charge your mobile. So if you do that means that is one of the most dangerous thing that you are going to do. It means you are letting the hacker to hack your mobile. A hacker can able to hack your mobile by just charging. So confused? In this video, we are going to talk about a hacking method called juice jacking. So if you new here, I am Aravind. This is Mr. Aravind Tech. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So juice jacking. So this is a hacking method that happens through the charging station. So this kind of juice jacking attacks are happens only on a public charging stations and public charging places. So when you are running out of battery, you just go to a public charging station and you just get charge your mobile, but you don't know who is behind the charging point. So if this charging station is owned by a hacker means you can easily able to hack your device. So in juice jacking attack, two things will happen to your mobile. So first one is data theft. When you connect the charger into your mobile, on that time itself hacker can able to get your data. Hacker can able to download mobile data to his device. And the second thing happen is malware installation. So by connecting the charger, hacker can easily able to install a malware to hack and take control your device. So this is what juice jacking has. So remember this while you are charging your mobile on any public charging station. So if you having emergency to charge your mobile means the recommended option is to carry a power bank with you. That helps you to prevent from hackers like this. So that's all this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, signing off from Mr. Aravind Tech.